a decrease in Medals of Honor being awarded in this war as opposed to the previous wars?
I would say, yes, it is a decrease, but we're in a different fight, too. I mean, if you look at the way that the fight has changed, tactics and everything. But we do have one Marine, as you know. He was awarded the Medal of Honor. So we take a close look at those, once they get up. But I wouldn't say that it's a decrease, but we are fighting a different war than previous wars. And that might be it also.
I would add, we have spent a lot of time throughout the time we've been in OIF and OEF on the war. I mean, I will tell you that we hadn't made it to Baghdad before your generals in command of the logistics at that point, regiments, and the division commander, the wing commander, got together for a couple of hours talking about how this was all going to go. Nothing has changed in terms of the requirements as laid out in the awards manual for the awarding of anything from the Medal of Honor right on down to a Naval Achievement Medal. So we simply need to be able to apply the standards, and I think we have successfully across the board. There have been those that have challenged, what's happened, saying, well, the numbers should indicate more Medals of Honor, that type of thing. We looked seriously recently at a proposal for a Medal of Honor, did not reach that high standard. And I think that's what it's all about. It's about reaching that level, that standard that's required for an award that is truly outstanding compared to others that are awarded more routinely. So I'm actually very comfortable with where it is. Then ask the question, do you have to be dead to be awarded the Medal of Honor? The answer is absolutely not. There's nothing in the write-up that says that must be the case. Sergeant Major's right. Our casualties are not at all comparable in this fight to what they were in Korea, Vietnam, or World War II. The nation has lost less than 4,200 total in all of Iraq and Afghanistan. It was 58,000 in Vietnam over a light period of time. So the fighting was more intense in a lot of ways. And those who were heroic stood out in the midst of some of that carnage. So I think that is probably the biggest difference that we see. Okay?